Alright, everybody. Welcome to the vocabulary lesson. Now, this is the 35th vocabulary lesson. And now, which means 35. Vocabulary lesson 35. And now we're going to be talking about, which is maximum. Over here. So, maximum means as great, high, or intense as possible or permitted. The vehicle's maximum speed. Similar. Greatest, highest, biggest, largest, top, topmost, most, utmost, supreme, maximal, paramount, extreme, opposite, minimum, the greatest or highest amount possible or attained. The school takes a maximum of 32 students. Similar. Upper limit, limit, utmost, outermost, greatest, most, extreme, extremity, peak, height, ceiling, top, summit, pinnacle, crest, apex, vertex, apogee, acme, zenith, at the most. It has a length of 4 feet maximum. When it comes to credit cards, your credit limit is the maximum amount the card issuer has approved you to borrow, and the high balance is the most you've owed on the card at one time. A maximum wage is a ceiling imposed on how much income a worker can earn in a given period of time. A maximum wage is an economic tool used to temper a distressed economy or control spiraling wage inequality in a country. Readers question: I would like to know why in the USA we have minimum wage law but not a maximum wage law. What are the advantages and disadvantages of a maximum wage law? A maximum wage means that for specified industries, jobs wages cannot exceed a certain level. They may be used to regulate labor markets where workers have excess monopoly power or in an unusual circumstance, such as a period of war. They are rarely used maximum wages. The max price is a limit or cap on a price set by a government or an organization. It is the highest price that can be set by a producer, group of producers, or a whole industry. A price below the maximum is acceptable and no intervention would follow. Max price is a maximum price. Maximum amount is the top. You can't get any more. I have a maximum dollars in my bank account. This is the maximum amount that you pay. Maximum is the greatest or the highest amount possible or attained. Minimum means the least or smallest amount or quantity possible, attainable, or required. Immolate. Immolate means to kill or offer as a sacrifice, especially by burning. Maximum means as great, high, or intense as possible or permitted. Minimum. Noun. Minimum. Plural noun means the least or smallest amount or quantity possible, attainable, or required. Plural noun. Minimums. That guy went to the maximum state prison. That guy had won an arm wrestling match with his maximum strength. I ate the maximum amount of food. Maximum means the most. You have exceeded your maximum time. Maximum means the most. Maximum means the most. You have exceeded your maximum time. Do not past the maximum speed limit. The greatest quantity or amount possible, assignable, allowable, etc. The highest amount, value, or degree attained or recorded, an upper limit allowed or allowable by law or regulation. Mathematics. Also called relative maximum, local maximum. The value of a function at a certain point in its domain, which is greater than or equal to the values at all other points in the immediate vicinity of the point. Compare absolute maximum, the point in the domain at which a maximum occurs. That is the maximum, greatest, or highest possible or attained maximum satisfaction, maximum temperature, pertaining to a maximum or maximums, the greatest quality or value attainable or attained, the period of highest, greatest, or utmost development. An upper limit allowed as by a legal authority or allowable as by the circumstances of a particular case. The largest of a set of numbers, specifically the largest value assumed by a real valued continuous function defined on a closed interval. Oversight board members are to serve 3-year terms with a maximum of 3 terms. Eric Williams spent 8 years in the solitary confinement. In the disciplinary unit, where inmates could only make outside calls a maximum of 4 times a month. The highest number or amount that is possible or allowed, plural, maxima or maximums. The highest value, greatest amount we had to pay the maximum as great as possible in amount or degree. We work with maximum efficiency. At the most, it will only take her 2-minute maximum to get home. Maximum, the highest limit, the greatest value of a set or other mathematical structure, especially the global maximum or a local maximum of a function. An upper bound of a set which is also an element of that set. Maximum, synonyms, max. Max is a slang word for maximum. The jug is full to the max. You can't put any more in it. Max is a good name for golden retriever. The bank has more money to the max. I need the maximum of water in the can. We have the water to the max. Maximum. The maximum speed limit is 65 miles per hour on the highway. The maximum sentence is people are in jail for 6 months with no compassion. Max is the limit. 3.78 length gallon of water, 1 gallon 0, 3.78 length of water. The jug has maximum of water. The jug has the water maximum, which means the jug is full to the max, which means maximum, which means you can't put more in it because it's already full. The bottle is filled up already. Max out. To reach the limit of one's capabilities, it looks like you're ready to max out your coordination. Eat obscene amounts of food, usually while high. We smoked this blunt last night and I maxed the fuck out on Doritos, man. Maximum effort. I got that from Deadpool. Deadpool says, maximum effort. This max out definition, time's up. This max out, you can go check that out on the Urban Dictionary. That's how I checked it out. Okay, folks. The next video, it will be minimum. See ya. Hope you guys enjoy the lesson.